Hi, this is Joyce. Today we will show you this house. Go!
So I'm Barte Hornberger, good morning, with King Fay Realty. And I'm going to show you guys a gorgeous new listing with my partner Joyce. This is her listing. This home was built in 1994 here in Missouri City. So it's a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 4-bath home. Swimming pool, jacuzzi, boathouse, all newly remodeled. So follow me, I'll take you guys on a short tour of this home. So here could be either a living room or a study. This is right off the front door with wood floors and also beautiful tile. This is a newly remodeled kitchen with marble countertops, all gorgeous wood cabinets. A gas powered range with wood with also these beautiful columns that support the kitchen. And also the kitchen and living room is all tile floors, which looks out onto their swimming pool. We have an outdoor area for barbecue and sink. We have also a very beautiful pool with jacuzzi. There's an outdoor washroom, bathroom, air conditioning, bathroom outside. So we'll go back inside. I want to show you guys more of the first floor. So this is one of the 4 bedrooms.
The master bedroom.
Yeah, this is the master bedroom bath. Nice big walk-in closet for either him or her. A huge, beautiful tiled shower. It is so beautiful. It's gorgeous. And nice big walk-in closets. Another nice big walk-in closet. Really nice. A lot of shelf space. Space for a lot. And again, marble countertops in the master bathroom. Newly remodeled. Beautiful wood floors in the master bedroom. A little half bath right off the entrance of the home. And now we will go upstairs to see the other 3 bedrooms. So this home has been newly painted and refinished. So you come upstairs to a really nice, large living area, living room. Again, beautiful wood floors. This could be either a bedroom, it could be a game room. Really a lot of square footage. And across the living room is another nice sized bedroom with full bath. And newly tiled tub and shower. Really beautiful. And another bedroom.
Oh, this is secure?
You know, they have security cameras.
For gun?
So yeah, security cameras around the house. Very nice feature.
So they have how many cameras here?
8 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 camera security. Very nice. Okay, that's really nice. I didn't know that. And a 4th bedroom with full bath, shower.
Oh, the closet is very nice, right?
Very nice. Good quality. I love the wood. Very good quality wood. So we'll go out to the patio.
What's this called? Bar?
Yeah, I guess a bar. Yeah, I'm sorry. I guess a bar. So let's go out onto the deck that I really love. I love the stone deck. This is a huge, huge deck. So much room to have a party, have all your friends over for swimming, have a barbecue. Very relaxing. Area for your dogs that is fenced in. The trees?
Yeah, that's tree.
You know, a lot of beautiful trees. Large acreage, 1.3 acres is the total property area.
Secure.
I think so. I think so quiet because look how big the properties are. You're not hearing your neighbors. You know, so quiet, I'm sure, at night.
Private.
Yeah, it is very private. I mean, and look how gorgeous your neighbor's house is. Beautiful. Beautiful, quiet neighborhood. Very safe. Excellent school district. Fort Bend County. And I think for the property, for the size of the property, the size of the home, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and list for $695,000. Really good price. I think an excellent price. I really do. Everything new, so clean. Like there's no problems with the home. Everything's perfect. Paint, the wood floors, you know. I think it's a great listing, Joyce. You should be so happy, excited.
Good?
Yes, excellent. Excellent listing.
Thanks for watching.